The landlord came out with interesting information. She states that she has the video of Pastor that was previous to the one that Dwayne shared. She also said that these new people are being baptized in the sea, and that's the reason why they're so salt. She said that they should go ahead and go baptize in the river because that's what they're supposed to be baptized in. Also, she is talking about the whole situation with 13 and the confession. She said, "Uno too dangerous." Stay tuned and watch as the video unfolds.
Myself with uno help or without, this is wrong. I am free to come on social media and make a video. You all people critique my video, uno tell lie upon me, and then uno come back and say uno never know how it go, uno no look first. And when I come out with the truth, uno report me something them and I block them. The first video we come out with 13, when she upon the pastor hypocrite to me, just find out. Say that lady is a hypocrite too. Because as she did give rabbit with the bungler hood the something them information about 360. So now she a clean up. Cause if me never hold the video, no video wouldn't there. That video gone. Only right now me have that video can show. And I would like to represent 13 first confession. That did somebody on YouTube said the live, no, they didn't take it down. But I thought it was the live where did I start. But I know the live where did I start, then take down the first confession. And it's that I'm burning weed make you crazy. Weed a bun, Solomon grave it grew up on. It a bun before me born and it a bun. And the wisest set of man them, a Rasta man. When you talk about all your Bible, when you talk about history, you have to sit down with a Rasta man with him chalice. None of us a Christian can't get down in a Bible like a Rasta man with him chalice. You hear? What cannot tell me that? When you talk about history, you have to check a real Rasta man. And him sit down with him something and him talk him reason with you. Man, they have knowledge, everything. Oh no way I come out with no fake self and fake pastor and a cut against his bet is if a Rasta Bingi come out here. Bingi I go open it and cut it like Solomon did. You see how Solomon did one cut the baby in a half? That is the problem. How you think Solomon find the real mother? The real mother, the fake mother say, cut it and give me half. The real mother hold him belly like how me hold for me body and know say me belly pain. I saw me belly move. I saw the real mother stay, the fake one can't. Yes, man. She willing to see it go. Cause half a baby and no baby. And true she not have no baby. She decide that that baby must go in half. The real mother cannot see that happen. Because if that sword reach to the baby, before he even reach, the real mother belly start burn him and ring up. Don't. Uno is too dangerous fire. Uno is too dangerous fire. If you leave and come back as a woman of God, you can't come back talking about 2 years, 3 years ago. You leave that behind. You wash your sorrows down the river when you did go deep. Don't. Or out a sea. Yes. And that's why that happened to you. Them are baptized on a sea. So no salt. Uno salt. A river uno figure. Make wash uno burden down. Because when you're going there, you're not supposed to come back with that. If you come now, this man 360 doesn't involve. He does not involve. Last night you come and you give a full introduction about 360. Before you even get to the point. Which, and the first live, where 13 do, you did not give no introduction. You talk and say, people, I have a special guest. And that's the live that is hidden. Where the live there. Landlawd! Yeah. Me have it. But wait there. Why didn't Dewey and share that live? Landlawd! Yes. Me have it. Why not share that one there, but the one we cook up last night now? That are the one. Remember Gracie said 3 days. 3 days else him go come out with something. While Gracie no get time. Where the first live there? Pastor, me search your page. And see we like how you did post it. And 13 say fi share it. And make everybody see Pastor. 900 per hour. 841 people watch it. Pastor, where is the live? Pastor, where is the live? If you hide it on your page, you alone can't see it. Put out the live. Yes.